What's good with ya, baby? Peace and love to the family. Peace and love to everybody out there, man. Hope all is well. We gotta take care of yourselves. Staying safe out there. It's your boy Ahmad back at y'all with another reaction. So, we got a highly requested artist we got right here. So, we got the legendary queen herself, Missy Elliott. I don't know why we just bringing her to this channel, but better late than never. So we got Missy Elliott, The Rain, Supa Dupa Fly. Hope you guys enjoyed this, man. Like, subscribe if y'all new. Now she got at least 2-3 songs I can't review because they probably still getting played on radio to this day. I remember hearing them a lot when I was a kid. Work It. What's that other? Lose Control. It's probably like 1-2 more songs I can't review, but songs like this, underrated songs of hers in her catalog, I can review. But Supa Dupa Fly, The Rain, Missy Elliott, let's get it.
Me, I'm super fly, super duper fly, super duper fly. Me, I'm super fly, super duper fly, super duper fly.
My bad for pause. I might have seen some of this music video when I was a kid because I seen her wear this outfit with the big, I don't know if that's a garbage bag or inflatable. I might have seen some of this music video. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. Definitely.
Fly, super duper fly, super duper fly. Me, I'm super fly, super duper fly, super duper fly. Me, I'm super fly, super duper fly, super duper fly. Me, I'm super fly. When the rain hits my window, I take it. Me and Timberland, ooh, we sang a jangle. We so tight that you get our styles tangled. Sway your do-si-do like you loco. Can we get kinky tonight like Coco? So, you wanna play with my yo-yo? I smoke my on the D-Lo. I can't stand her. It's my window. I can't stand her. It's my window. I can't stand her. It's my window. I can't stand her. It's my window.
They creativity on this is crazy.
Beep beep. Who got the keys to the Jeep? I'm driving to the beach. Top down, loud sound, see my piece. Give them pounds now. Look who it be. It be me and Timothy. Look like it's about to rain, what a shame. I got the armor or the shine up the stain. Old Missy, try to maintain. I can't stand the rain.
That's my guy. Hold on. I think that's my guy.
I can't stand the rain.
I think that's what's bro name? Lil C's. Shout out to Lil C's, man. And low key, speaking of Lil C's, like her style, it kind of remind me of Big. Like her style kind of remind, the way she's flowing kind of remind me of Big, low key. R.I.P. to Big too. It remind me of him.
I can't stand the rain.
Oh, that's I think that was Lil Kim too.
It's my window. I can't stand her. It's my window. I can't stand her. It's my window.
This is dope.
I can't stand her. I feel the wind. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 10. Begin. I sit on heels like Lauren until the rain starts coming down pouring on the chair. I got my umbrella, my finger waves these days, they fall like Humpty, Chumpy. I break up with him before he dump. To have me, yes you lucky. It's my window.
This is dope.
I can't stand her. It's my window. I can't stand her. It's my window. I can't stand her.
There's a lot of cameos in here.
I can't stand her.
Who is that?
I can't stand her.
Yo, if I miss a couple cameos in this music video, y'all let me know. I saw Lil C's, Lil Kim. I seen Diddy. I see like one more person that I kind of recognize. Y'all let me know.
I can't stand her.
This is dope.
I can't stand her. It's my window. I can't stand her. It's my window. I can't
Yo,
stand her.
this beat is real haunting, but the music video is like the opposite.
I can't stand her. It's my window. I can't stand her.
I love her
I can't
outfit.
stand her. I can't stand her.
It's crazy. I don't know if that's a garbage bag that she wearing, but this is dope. Yo, her creativity. I know I ain't gonna be tripping when I said her flow kind of remind me of Biggie's. Like the way she was flowing, down the window. I don't know. It kind of remind me of Biggie. Creativity on this song was crazy. Like just off the outfits, the way they was dancing, the setting, even the beat. I think she mentioned Timberland in the beginning of the song. So obviously he probably made this beat. Shout out to Timberland. And the way she was rapping, this whole thing was just dope, man. Definitely send me some more Missy Elliott down in the comments, man. Hope you guys enjoyed this though. Like, subscribe if y'all new, man. Shout out to Missy Elliott. It's your boy Ahmad. I'm out.